be sure to turn the power off before performing any maintenance. Before performing this service, it is necessary to shut off the water. Find the saddle valve, turn it clockwise until it stops. All right, so let's remove the pad and frame. There's a little tab here at the very top of the humidifier. We're just going to push up on that and pull the pad frame out. Okay, now we're going to replace the pad right here. So we're going to slide off this water distribution tray. There we go. And we're going to slide the pad out. All right, so here's the old pad. We're going to get rid of that. While we have it apart, we're going to take and rinse these components off using soap and water. Mild soap and water is all it takes to just remove the calcium and scale from these. Now, after that's done, we're going to put it all back together. So now, all right, here's our new pad. You'll notice there's a paint mark on the one edge. It's only on that one edge. Okay, that paint mark goes towards the top. This is the bottom, so paint mark goes on the opposite side. So here's our paint mark right there. And we're going to take our water distribution tray and slide it on there. There we go. All right, now it's back together. And there is a front and a back to this distribution tray. So this side here is marked front. That will go towards facing you when you put it inside the unit. This then, of course, is the back side. This side will go facing the ductwork or the furnace. All right, now that we've replaced the pad, we're going to put it back in there. It says front right here. That's going to be facing us. And the drain spud here is going to, of course, go to the bottom and connect to that drain. So it goes in the drain assembly and snaps right into position. I'm your host, Jay. Thank you for watching. For additional help or questions, please feel free to contact us.